Hello guys, and welcome to our first tutorial where we will explain you how you can use NLO SMM panel, right now the top rated SMM service provider on the world basically. So once you're logged in, we guess you already have an account. You will see our dashboard, and the dashboard is where the magic happens and where you make orders for various services for YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. We got tons of them. First, let me explain you each part of the dashboard. So once you're on your desktop, on the left it will be a main menu. You can find a bunch of options, actions to do right here. This is right here the main window where you make order, where you read descriptions of each service, and on the right corner is your balance, announcements. We are updating this, and your species. The bigger the spending you have, the better the species you will have, and the bigger the species, you will have better discounts and bonuses on your deposits. More about that is explained on our blog. So without further ado, let me explain you how it works and what needs to be used for what. So if you're using our website on a mobile device, let me explain you. The main menu is right here. So let me go back to the desktop version. So the first page when you log into our dashboard is new order page, and this is the order page, basically where you make orders for your videos, for your Instagram posts or whatever. You can also add services to your favorites, and when you add them, they will be here. So when you want to make an order, you have tons of different categories for various social media platforms, and for each platform you will have a ton of services, right? You enter the link of your destination, you enter the quantity, and it will tell you the total amount of money. You click on the order now, and your order will be visible in the orders. So right here, let's go back. You will see tutorials just like this one. It will be full of tutorials, and before you order anything, I want you to read this, which is called read before ordering. And right here it is explained what those emojis inside the description actually means. It's really self-explanatory. When you see the drop, what does it mean, how accurate is that, and stuff like that. So when you choose a service, right here you enter the amount of the likes you want or views you want, but in the right corner you will see the description of the service. Before you order any service, we want you to read the description, because it is really important that you know what actually you are buying, right? And you need to be 100% sure that you bought the right service, because most of the service and orders are one-time deals. So once you make an order, that order can't be canceled. So make sure that you read description of each service you order. Let's head over to mass order. Mass order is used for the people who don't want to go to new order and order, for example, same service, same quantity, but for different links multiple times. It is time consuming, right? So what you have to do in order to do the mass order is to simply enter first service ID, for example 556, then you have this dash, then you enter your link and quantity, and you can do that as many times as you like. And when you press order now, it will send all of those orders to us, and your orders will start shortly. The third option we have is services. This is where you can find all the services we have at our SMM panel right now, and you can filter those services using our filter setting right here. So you don't want to scroll down in order to find, for example, your favorite Instagram followers, right? Because we have tons of services. Well, not a big deal. Simply go to filter services and find your Instagram followers category. And right here you will find all of our Instagram followers under guaranteed category. Right here on this page, you can also read description by clicking here. You can know all the information about it. You will see the minimum order amount and the maximum order amount. You can see the ID, so you can safely navigate that service later. When you come here, you go, for example, to Instagram followers, and you know that the ID is 56, right? So it is really simple to do it. You can also add a service to your favorites by clicking here. And when you go to the new order, when you click on fav order, it will show you only your favorite services, you know. Next to services, we have orders. This is where you can check the progress of your orders, the status of your order. Was it canceled? Was it being partially refunded? Is it in progress? Is it pending? Is it processing? Everything about your order can be found here. This is your order ID or order number. So when you have a problem, some of your followers dropped, for example, or your order is taking too long to start, simply click here and create a ticket. And it will create a ticket just for this order. And you want to tell us, I want to cancel my order, amount sent has dropped, my order is pending, information about the order, and in this short message tell us more about that order, and we will exactly know that your request is based on this order number. That way we can help you faster and you will get your problem resolved as soon as possible, because our amazing support team is working hard every single day, 24/7, guys. Okay, and drip feed option. On the drip feed option, you can see all of your drip feed orders. More about the drip feed and how it's done and how it works will be explained in a totally separate video about drip feed orders. Okay, the second option is add funds option. It is a page where you can know everything about adding money into your current balance on our panel. And as you can see, we have a drop down menu here with automatic payment system, which means if you want to deposit crypto, we use Coin Payments and Coinbase as our partners. So you simply click on Coin Payments, enter the amount of any cryptocurrency you want. For example, enter the amount of money you want to add to your balance, for example $100, and when you click on the add fund, it will transfer you to our Coin Payments partner mirror for payment. We also have PayPal Express, Payeer, perfect money for euros, and we also have right here information about how you can pay using Payoneer or how you can pay using Skrill. We are planning to add tons of more payment methods, and make sure that you always use for your best needs the payment system that brings you the best bonuses like Payoneer, Payeer, and crypto. Okay. Second to that is our API page. If you want to resell our services, on your SMM panel, you can use API. This is basically for programmers. So if you are a regular user of our panel, you're not interested in this one. If you want to earn money by referring people to our panel, you can do that by our affiliate system. So you will get 2% of each payment they make under your referral link to our panel until the end of your life, basically. And you can get paid on any payment method you want, or that money you earned can be transferred to your current balance on our SMM panel. Let's head over to tickets. When you go to tickets, right here you can open up a ticket about mostly anything you want to ask us. About your order, about your payments, about a service, or anything else you want to ask us. Right here you can see the support history, where you can find all of the tickets you opened about your orders, payments, or whatever. Right here you can find all the services. Next to that, let's go to chill panels. If you want to run your own SMM panel with our services, you can order a child panel from us. If you want to know more about that, please open up a ticket and we will answer it. Of course, the moment you start using our panel, you should read our terms of services, because it is really important that you know what's our duty, what are your terms, what are our terms, what you can ask from us and what you can't ask from us. So please make sure that you read all terms of services on our website in order to simply avoid any problems in the future with the support team, with us, and it will all be great. Frankly, ask with questions, you can navigate it, and it's self-explanatory. You can find answers to almost any question you have regarding our panel. When you go to the updates, you can see every single change that is made on our services. When the price is decreased, when the price is increased, when some service is removed or added, you can find everything here. That's it, guys. This is like a first tutorial. I hope we explain you some basics of using our panel. I hope you will enjoy using our panel. You will have great results. I'm 100% sure of that, and simply enjoy it. See you guys.